Kasang Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization Kalarai Bandra ya kejeng sadin jong kejela ya kejeng Bamsap Ahmad Vice President jong kari India ubun sepoi hakan di kejela hakan di kesni kabanwan kasang kalasna ya ki video ya ki duru baka kerpat ya Vice President jong kari mendipe ki jaka kipat ki jaka jong kejela ki ba don ki Surok ki basni ki ba khoru kharam kan untep ya kejeng long karo kapar hakan di kejela
Konrad yes papa repairing road no papa public suffer yes papa. Ring. Baik pak, kan badang pi ya kasan pak leni cijar tengka ka Surok le uyoi ka wajat upra. Itu kayeng. Nomor kare. Itu kayeng. Nomor kare. Meghalaya pinlap nabang yakimap bidla negeri India Surok elka napu lengkeng arhari lengkeng anu jing Peit dapat tu lengkeng to gayeng nomor keri HITO kayeng nomor 3.
From the HITO, Hinyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization, we are very happy on receiving the information and the news that the Vice President of India, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, will be visiting our state tomorrow and thereafter tomorrow, the 16th and 17th. We are very happy to receive you, and we are happy that you will be visiting a few of these places, of these tourist spot places in our state. We are very happy, but we also would like to extend to you our invitation and a brochure to you that you would like to see while visiting our state and see the underdevelopment that is happening under our state. You can look at the different level of corruptions that is happening in our state. The central government is sending us thousands and thousands of crores for development in our state, but if you look at it, if you look at the development in our state, at the infrastructures and everything, it's lacking behind. The amount that is sent from the central government to the amount that is being spent on the ground is not matching at all. So we extend our heartily welcome to our Vice President and also to visit these places in all these places that we are giving in our brochures, so that you can look at the corruption that this government is happening. The corruption under this government is happening, and that the people, how much the people are suffering in the state. So that's all. I would like the Vice President also to look at it, at the brochures of our brochures, and visit these places that we have mentioned in our brochures, so that you can have a complete understanding of what is happening in the state of Meghalaya.